laptops and tablets. We should never have let laptops and tablets spread through K-12 education without extensive testing and evidence of safety and efficacy. But we're about to do the exact same mistake with AI. We're already seeing massive cognitive offloading and learning loss. When students have access to AI, they pass the critical thinking over to the AI.
Hi folks, Pat here from Outdoor Kids, and I just wanted to provide a little bit of commentary as to what's going on in this video by Jonathan Haidt. He's an education specialist for youth development. Typically it's school-age kids, JK to grade 12, and he recently did a TED Talk about this. It's quite about a 10-15 minute video, and I encourage you to go have a look at it. And then what rung a bell to me is how this element that we are taking away, so AI is taking away the critical thinking part of education and situational awareness and kind of safety assessments. This is really what Outdoor Kids is about, and we're trying to kind of go against the grain and implement that into the activities that we do. Luckily, I'm in the process of narrowing down, working with one of the school boards here in Ottawa to implement these kinds of things and let kids actually make mistakes and review their risk assessments. Is this a big enough mistake? Is this a small mistake? Is this something that I can afford to do? And then implement that with other humans, so the social element and human interaction and skill building and confidence building that comes with it. So I really hope that as we're building this mission and vision with Outdoor Kids, you folks can come along for the ride. We are providing a bunch of free workshops coming up, as well as some paid ones, but I just really want this message to get out there. It's really becoming, and we're fine-tuning this mission and vision for Outdoor Kids as things are developing in the AI world, which changes every week, to be honest. So we're trying to be responsive to that, but at the end of the day, it's about getting kids and their parents doing things together, using critical thinking, making decisions together in terms of risk assessments, anything from navigation to fire building to shelter building. These are all very basic skills that everybody should have, in my opinion, to some degree. And hopefully you can trust us with guiding you to learning how to do that. So please have a look, think critically, and enjoy the outdoors as much as you can.